There is no question that two-way radios are vital components for security teams to communicate every day while on the job. This instantaneous connectivity, however, is even more vital in high-noise environments such as festivals, where coverage can get spotty and reception can be overwhelmed by surrounding noise. Whether it's crowd control, responding to disturbances or health emergencies, coordination of staff, or service and maintenance requests, a two-way radio system is essential for the safety and success of any large event. While two-way radios offer the coverage and connectivity needed, there are some other features which greatly enhance these communications. Accessories allow for more hands-free operations and ultimately a safer environment. For festival security teams, a two-wire surveillance earpiece would be a great addition to their two-way radio system. With noise-canceling capabilities to allow for enhanced audio, staff can work among the crowd confidently to ensure the safety of festival goers, as well as the other members of their team. This earpiece is also extremely lightweight and discreet. Simply wire the accessory through your shirt and wrap around the back of the ear. When you need to transmit a message, press the push-to-talk button on the wire and release when completed. Connect your festival security team and create a safe event experience for everyone. For more information on which earpieces will work well with your two-way radio system, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.